So I stumbled across this bag on the Coach website in the men's department that is so freaking cute. And I don't understand why more people aren't talking about this bag. So I wanted to come on here and talk about it real quick with you guys. But I also have an unboxing, something that I said I would never purchase, but I now have in my collection. So if you want to see what that is, just keep watching. Hey, Andre, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But before we get into today's video, I wanted to just remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. Go ahead and download it. It is pinned in the comments. It's in the description of this video, and it's also in my bio. So, guys, before we get into this unboxing, I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to talk about a bag that I discovered while on the website looking in the men's department at Coach. And this is something that I rarely do because, number one, I'm rarely looking for travel accessories. And that would be the only reason I would go over to the men's section was if I was looking for something for travel or if I was looking for something for my husband. So I'm rarely over there when I'm in the store, and I never shop in the men's department online. But for some reason, something told me to go to the men's department, to the Coach website. And guys, there's this bag that is so cute. And I mean, it's being marketed and so as a man's bag, I guess, man bag, whatever you want to call it. But sis, I don't know why this bag has not been reviewed more on YouTube because it is freaking adorable. So the bag that I'm referring to is the Gotham Duffel Bag 24. Now, guys, this bag comes in two different prints. So it's a black on black with the regular Coach monogram. But then the one that I like, that I fell in love with the moment I saw, is actually it's in the truffle color, and it's the horse and carriage print. But guys, this bag, in my opinion, is cuter than the Speedy 20, and it's about the same size. So the measurements on it are 9.5 inches long, 5.5 inches high, and 4.25 inches wide. It does have the what do you call the top handles, but they don't fold down like the Louis Vuitton, but I don't even care about that. It has gunmetal hardware. Both models, the black and the truffle, have gunmetal hardware, and it comes with a detachable crossbody strap with a 23-inch drop. So you can wear it as a shoulder or a crossbody. The inside of this bag is fabric lining. It looks like it has a pocket and a zip closure, and it has 4 feet on the bottom. But the bag also only retails for $2.95. So if you compare that to the Speedy 20, guys, this is just like, this is a no-brainer. This bag is adorable, and I don't know why I'm not seeing any unboxings or reviews on this bag. Let me know what you guys think, if this is something that you would even consider getting. I think it's cute. It's adorable. Definitely something that I might put on my wish list later on down the line. Obviously, I don't need anything that even resembles a Speedy or a Speedy 20 right now. So that's not something that I plan on buying anytime soon, but definitely a piece that I'm keeping my eye on. But I thought I would share that with you guys in case you haven't seen it. And just to encourage you all, if you don't, to just periodically go and shop in the men's department and Coach, because they do have some nice things. I saw a couple of other items in there that I like that I may end up getting. So I don't want to discuss those in case they end up being unboxings for a later date. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. So again, just let me know if you like that bag and if it's something that you would consider purchasing. But let's get into the real reason I decided to film today. And that is because this came in last night. And this is from Coach, but it's something that I said I would never get because I'm just not this type of person. So let's just go ahead and get into it so we can see what I'm talking about. So I will say the last couple of things that I've ordered from the Coach outlet has taken a while to get to me, like close to a week, which is really odd. Normally I expect to wait that long for Dooney stuff. Dooney has been like on point recently with their times, their shipping, but Coach outlet has really been taking their time. So like I said, the last two pieces I got from Coach took about a week to get here, which is unusual for me. So I don't know what it is, what it's like for you guys, but it rarely takes me that long. But for some reason lately, it's been taking that long with Coach, or at least with the outlet. So, is there any packing slips? So it came wrapped up. There's no bubble wrap, but it came wrapped up in a whole bunch of tissue paper, and this has the packing slip on here. So this one was shipped from the premium outlet in Las Vegas. So can you guess what it is like this? I like that they took the time to wrap it up and put a little sticker on there instead of just throwing it in the box or putting it in the plastic bag. So what I got was the Court backpack in the floral print. So guys, I think this backpack is gorgeous. This is just adorable. So I've already mentioned in the last video that I fell in love with this Coach floral print anyway. And so I decided to go ahead and grab the SLG and then an SLG that looks similar to it from Amazon. And I really initially wanted the Court backpack in an all leather version. And they do make the all leather version in this floral print. But for some reason, for me, even though I'm not big on the signature, for some reason, this floral print looks better to me with the signature canvas and the black leather trim. So that's why I went with this one versus the leather backpack. Had I gone with the all leather one, I could have gotten it a lot faster because they actually had it available in my outlet here in my city. But for some reason, it's just this contrast black stitching that just makes this bag pop to me. So that's why I decided to go with this. And I'm gonna blame Dory Nicole because she got the Rowan in this pattern, and I thought it was adorable, but I just could not justify buying another Rowan. So this is the next best thing to have in that print. But let's get a closer look at this. So as you can see, this front pocket is leather, and it has the Coach um, thing on here in gold hardware. So let's get this open. So it has leather zipper pull, but the actual zipper pull itself does say Coach. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it does say Coach on there. Great attention to detail for an outlet piece. The inside is this fabric lining, like a rust color. I don't know what they call this. Nice size pocket. It would definitely fit my phone and maybe a couple of other things. And then if we get on the inside of the bag, same color interior, that rust color interior. And then it has the zipper pocket on the back wall right above the story patch. The front wall has 2 slip pockets. And then the back compartment is just one empty space. And then there's like little pocket on each side. I guess you could put like a water bottle, or you might could stick your phone in here if you're comfortable with your phone being on the outside like that. But there's one on each side. And then of course, the straps are adjustable. And you can see here it has gold hardware, and then you got the Coach hang tag on the back. And you've also got a little bit of a leather trim on this strap. It's on the back and front. The part that actually attaches to the buckle is leather. Really nice bag. And I think I paid like 113, one something. I know it wasn't 150. It was barely 120. Let me see if it's on here. Okay, so I did. So with tax and everything, it turned out to be 147.49. That was with tax and everything included. So still under 150. But I have been saying for the longest time that I'm not a backpack person because I'm not. I haven't owned a backpack since I was in college. And didn't really plan on getting one, but I started thinking about travel and overnight, quick 1 and 2 day stays. And I don't really have many like duffel bags or overnight type bags. So I thought having a backpack would be a really nice thing to start off with. Like if I'm on a plane and just want a carry on to just have a few items in, or again, like if just this could be an overnight bag for me. So I thought I would start my travel collection with a backpack. So that's why I grabbed this. So just wanted to come on here real quick to show it to you guys. But again, this is the Coach Cord in the floral print with signature canvas and black leather trim. Give it the famous Autumn spin. I don't know if you guys who know who Autumn Beckman is, but she's another creator on YouTube, and she this was her thing. She always does a 360 when she shows a bag, and people have kind of started calling it the Autumn spin. But anyway, just wanted to come on here real quick and share that with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this bag and the Gotham Duffel. And until I see you next time, don't forget, if you're going to buy it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.